So let me play the entire piece for you so that you can see how everything comes together. Then verse. Chorus. Again, second half. And then we have this. We are spreading the hand. A synthi part. Again. Yeah, and then we start from scratch, so from the verse again. Yeah, and then we repeat everything. So the verse, the chorus again, at the very end. And by the way, you can repeat this again and again at the very end. And then we play just the D sharp here. In the left hand also plays D sharp, but even more, D sharp, our entire chord. So that's the first chord, but with pinky, ring finger, pointer, as E sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Here E sharp, and again F sharp with the ring finger, pointer, A sharp, and E, D sharp. And that's the ending. All right. So, and that's faded. Yeah. So thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I mean, probably when you're here, congratulations. So maybe there's still some work to do, but you definitely wow, no, you really made a good point. Yeah, congratulations on this, and also thank you so much. I really appreciate that you're here. I'm always looking forward to your visit on my website, werdemusiker.com. Free piano courses are in the description below. And I'm also looking forward to see you in the next tutorial.